All right, it's -9 outside. Let's see if the car starts. I got 2 undershirts. I got these Henleys, and then I got this Nike mask, and a hat with ear covers. Oh man, it's gonna be so cold. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's cold, but this is doing a pretty good job of protecting me from the cold. Just my hands are freezing. Oh shoot. I'm just gonna start the car. Put this on the seats. Let's see if this thing starts. All right, let's see. That's the fan. -9. Right there. Toyota V6, no problem. Here. I'm gonna leave these here just in case. Oh man. Actually, I'm gonna take a look because there's other ones. Yeah. So we're gonna leave. One of my keys. I got the squeaks to stop. Everything is set to high. Let's get the hell out of here. I want to grab something out of my car. So let's lock this one. There we go. All right, we're back. That was cold. But I got my stuff and it worked.